Dear students, welcome to my 7th class on Module 4, Curve Fitting and Statistical Methods. In this lecture video, I will be discussing the fitting of secondary parabola y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c or y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square by using least squares method. Okay, how to frame the normal equations for the secondary parabola? The curve of the form y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c has been given in the sense. The first step is we have to apply summation for the equation y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So I got the equation summation y is equal to a summation x square plus b summation x plus nc. Now multiplying x for this equation, I'll be getting summation xy is equal to a summation x cube plus b summation x square plus c summation x. Now multiplying x square for this equation and applying summation, I got summation x square y is equal to a summation x power 4 plus b summation x cube plus c summation x square. Similarly, for the equation y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square, after applying summation, we'll be getting summation y is equal to na plus b summation x plus c summation x square. Now multiplying x on both the sides, applying summation, I'll be getting summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square plus c summation x cube. Multiplying x square on both the sides, we'll be getting summation x square y is equal to a summation x square plus b summation x cube plus c summation x power 4. So now we'll discuss the problems on fitting of second-degree parabola. The first problem, fit a secondary parabola y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c in the least squares for the following data and hence estimate the value of y at x is equal to 0.6. The data is given like x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, y is equal to 10, 12, 13, 16, 19. The first step is we have to frame the normal equation for the given secondary parabola y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So take the equation. First apply summation on both the sides. We'll be getting summation y is equal to a summation x square plus b summation x plus nc. Multiplying x for this equation and applying summation, we'll be getting summation xy is equal to a summation x cube plus b summation x square plus c summation x. Next, multiplying x square for this equation and applying summation, I got summation x square y is equal to a summation x power 4 plus b summation x cube plus c summation x square. Now our job is to estimate the value of summation y, summation x square, summation x cube, summation x power 4, summation xy and summation x square y. So take a tabular column, calculate all this. So the tabular column must have small x, small y, x square, x cube, x power 4, xy and x square y. So x is given like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and y is given like 10, 12, 13, 16, 19. I'm going to calculate x square now. Squaring all the x values, it will become 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So applying cube for all the x values, I'll be getting 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. Applying power 4 for all the x values, I'll be getting 1, 16, 81, 256, 625. Now to calculate xy, I'm going to multiply x into y. So I got 10, 24, 39, 64, 95. To calculate x square y, I'm multiplying y into x square. I got 10, 48, 117, 256, 475. Now we're supposed to calculate summation x, summation y, summation x square, summation x cube, summation x power 4, summation xy, summation x square y. So adding all x, we'll be getting summation x is equal to 15. Adding all x square, I got 55. Adding all x cube, I got 225. Adding all x power 4, I got 979. Adding y, I got 70. Adding all xy, I got 232. Adding all x square y, I got 906. And the value of n is equal to 5. Now replace all these values in the normal equations. I got 55a plus 15b plus 5c is equal to 70, 225a plus 55b plus 15c is equal to 232, 979a plus 225b plus 55c is equal to 232. So now solve these equations. We can solve this in calculator also. Go for equation mode, take 3 unknowns, enter all the values and solve it. So on solving this equation, we got the value of a is equal to 0.2857, the value of b is equal to 0.4857 and the value of c is equal to 9.4. So replacing this ABC in y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, I got y is equal to 0.2857 x square plus 0.4857 x plus 9.4 is the required parabola. So now I am going to replace the value of x is equal to 6 in this equation, and simplifying that I got the value of y is equal to 22.78. Problem number 2. Fit a parabola of the form y is equal to cx square plus bx plus a. The data is given like x is equal to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Y is given like 4.63, 2.11, 0.67, 0.09, 0.63, 2.15, 4.8. So now from this data we have to fit a parabola in the form y is equal to cx square plus bx plus a. So take the equation first. Y is equal to cx square plus bx plus a. Apply summation on both the sides. We'll be getting summation y is equal to c summation x square plus b summation x plus na. So multiplying x on both the sides and applying summation, I got summation xy is equal to c summation x cube plus b summation x square plus a summation x. Multiplying x square on both the sides, will be getting summation x square y is equal to c summation x power 4 plus b summation x cube plus a summation x square. Now I am going to calculate the value of summation x, summation y, summation x square, summation x cube, summation x power 4, summation xy, summation x square y using tabular column. So the column must have all these values. So x is given like minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 2, 3. Y is given like 4.63, 2.11, 0.67, 0.09, 2.15, 4.8. So x square has been obtained by squaring all x values. I got 9, 4, 1, 0, 4, 9. X cube has been obtained by applying cube on both the sides. For all x values, I got minus 27, minus 8, minus 1, 0, 8, 27. Now, to calculate x power 4. So applying power 4 for the equation, I got 81, 16, 1, 0, 16, 81. And to calculate xy, I am multiplying x into y. I got minus 13.89, minus 4.22, minus 0.67, 0, 4.3, 13.74. Now to calculate x square y, we got the value 41.67, 8.44, 0.67, 0, 8.6, 41.22. So now I am going to find all the summation of x, summation of y, summation of x square, summation of x cube, summation of x power 4, summation xy and summation x square y. So after adding all x, I got 0, x square is 28, x cube is 0 and summation x power 4 is 196, summation y is 14.86, summation xy is minus 0.11 and summation x square is y is 101.23 and n is equal to 7. So replacing all these values in the normal equations, I got 28c plus 0b plus 7a is equal to 14.86, 0c plus 28b plus 0a is equal to minus 0.11, 196c plus 0b plus 28a is equal to 101.023. So on solving these three equations, I got the value of a is equal to 0.1329, b is equal to minus 0.00393, c is equal to 0.4957. So replacing this ABC in the parabola equation, I got the equation y is equal to 0.4957 x square minus 0.00393x plus 0.1329 is the parabola we got. Problem number 3. The revolution r and t are related by the quadratic polynomial r is equal to at square plus bt plus c. Estimate the number of revolutions per time 3.5 units. Given revolution as r, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Time in terms of small t, it is given by 1.2, 1.6, 1.9, 2.1, 2.4, 2.6 and 3. So now the first thing is we have to make a normal equation for the curve r is equal to at square plus bt plus c. So applying summation, I got summation r is equal to a summation t square plus b summation t plus nc, and summation tr is equal to a summation t cube plus b summation t square plus c summation t. Summation t square r is equal to a summation t power 4 plus b summation t cube plus c summation t square. So now I am going to calculate the value of summation r, summation t square, summation t cube, summation t power 4, summation t, summation tr and summation t square r using tabular column. So it is given by t, r, t square, t cube, t power 4, rt square. T is given by 1.2, 1.6, 1.9, 2.1, 2.4, 2.6, 3. R is given by 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. So t square will be obtained by squaring all t values. I got 1.44, 2.56, 3.61, 4.41, 5.76, 6.76 and 9. T cube is obtained by applying Q for all t values. I got 1.728, 4.096, 6.859, 9.261, 13.824, 17.576 and 27. T power 4. Applying power 4 for t, I got 2.0796, 6.5536, 13.0321, 19.4481, 1776, 45.6976, 81. Next is RT. By multiplying R into T, I got 6, 16, 28.5, 42, 60, 78, 105. Next is RT square. Multiplying R with T square, I got 7.2, 25.6, 54.15, 88.2, 144, 202.8 and 315. So now I am going to calculate summation t, summation r, summation t square, summation t cube, summation t power 4, summation rt and summation rt square. So I got the value like summation t is equal to 14.8, t square is 33.4, t cube is 80.344, r is 140, t power 4 is 200.9826, rt is 335.5, rt square is 836.95 and n is equal to 7. So now replacing these values in the normal equations, I got 33.54a plus 14.85b plus 7c is equal to 140, 80.3440a, 33.54b, 14.885c is equal to 335.5, 200.0982a plus 80.344b plus 33.54c is equal to 836.95. So now calculating this and solving the equations, I got the value of a is equal to 0.6645, b is equal to 14.779 and c is equal to minus 14.432. we got it. So replacing this ABC value in the given equation, r is equal to at square plus bt plus c, I got the value of r is equal to 0.66545 t square plus 14.779t minus 14.432. we got it. Now if I replace t is equal to 3.5 unit in the above equation and simplifying that, I got the value of r is equal to 45.432 units. In the next lecture video, I'll be discussing the fitting of the curve y is equal to a into x power b. Thank you.